Okay, Duolingo bird here is going to school with us. Okay, so what is Duolingo bird doing in school? I don't know. Maybe he's gonna teach kids. He's going to high school, not elementary. He's going to high school. He's not doing middle school. He's high. He's high. He's so high. But no, buddy. Okay, I thought. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go into classroom and teach everybody how to do life. Duolingo. Okay. And run in panic. This guy, he has the balls. Okay. Panic! Panic! Ah, they suck. You suck. Panic. Shoo! You belong. Like, you belong to dead. You're useless. Oh, sorry. I meant you are so nice. Sorry, I meant you're so nice. Okay, let's go back to classroom. Now let's do our lessons again. Okay. Okay, back to poo. Okay, back to poo class. Okay. Never. What? Sure. We'll do. I'm a substitute teacher, so I don't really care. As long as I go here, I get paid. I don't care about your education and anything more than your education. Because you're useless. I'm like money. I don't get paid enough. I only get paid $500,000 for teaching little kids how to do españolas. Or for Okay, Neo and Duolingo bird. You won't make it. Oh! Fell. Ah! What? What is that? Okay, kids, become. Okay, you gotta listen to me. You gotta stay together, and once that's done, we just run around and we scream panic and stab each other and spread around and then go by ourselves. Yeah, that's what we should do if anything happens. If anything happens, stay together. Get ready. Okay. Yes. What happened here? I think Duolingo bird could fly around and like push all these stuff together. Grab this taco. Sandwiches. Mm. Come on, can we go out?
Tastes really weird.
You never ate it though. That. Did I say? I meant stay together. Ah, yeah, we have to stay together. You always gotta listen to Duolingo Bird. He's the one that teach you Spanish. Even though if you never knew Spanish, then it shut it, you dummy. But just keep it secret. Teach you anymore. I will not teach him anymore. Okay. You are taller than me, and I am 50 years old. I'm Duolingo Bird. But I'm only 5 years old because bird age is multiplied by 10. You suck. I big noob. Ha ha ha. What do I got here? Suck. Like your meme. This guy's super excited. Meme. Suck. Let me be MVP. Haha, you suck. I got everything. You got nothing. Haha, you suck. Suck it. I'm going up here. I'll break out here. Here. And through here. Go to here. No, I'm gonna. Oh no, he's gonna be. Oh no, these foxies are gonna beat me. Yeah. Okay. Oh, fine. Start doing our things. Here. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Come on, let's go. I fell! You suck! I won! That suck! Is it because of my height? He's trying to bully me because of my height. Troll! Split! Jump! We will die! We will die! We all die! We all die! Sadness! Thanks to you. You suck. I will win. You lose, I win. You suck. I will go home first. And I can play Xbox first, and you have to wait, because mommy said you get second, I get first. Whoever goes home first. Ha 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 ha. I'm Duolingo bird, and I have this white line over here just because this is copied, and some cheap guy has copied me off of some random creepy website. I don't know what website. Oh, how convenient! The lights aren't going on. I think it's 12, and then the light. Okay, I don't even care anymore. Oh, nice. Oh, hey, it's the creepy guy again. Hey, dude, what's up? What? Dude, you're the teacher. Shouldn't you be with us? Oh, fuck!